You don't need 1,000 subscribers. You don't need 4,000 watch hours. And you definitely don't need to wait on YouTube to approve you to start making money from your channel. No ads, no monetization, no waiting. And I know that sounds crazy because most people think I'll start making money after I get monetized. But that mindset, that's exactly why most people stay stuck. YouTube is not the business, it's the traffic. And once you understand that shift, everything changes. In this video, I'm going to break down 2 real ways that you can start making money from your YouTube channel right now, even if you're small, even if you're just getting started. And the first method is more long term and stable, but the second method, that's the one that gets you paid fastest. So stay with me because by the end of this video, you're going to see YouTube completely differently. Before we jump into the strategies, let's quickly talk about how YouTube actually pays creators. To get paid from YouTube, you have to join the YouTube Partner Program. And that means 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short views. Then and only then are you going to unlock the ad revenue, memberships, super chats, and other features. So, yes, monetization is real, but this is the part that people don't talk about enough. You can earn money on YouTube before all of that. And honestly, that's exactly what I did and other smart creators are doing, not waiting, but building income systems from day one. Let's get into the first method. And this one is simple for beginners, but it's a powerful when done right. Affiliate marketing. If you're brand new, here's what that means. You recommend a product or a service, and when someone signs up or buys through your link, then you earn a commission. That's it. No inventory, no customer service, no product creation. You're simply connecting people to solutions. Let me make this super clear with an example. Think about something like Netflix. You don't own Netflix. You don't create the movies. You didn't build the platform. But imagine if every time someone signed up for Netflix because of your recommendation, you got paid every single month they say subscribe. That's the model. That's what affiliate market looks like when you're doing it right. That's what affiliate marketing looks like when it's done right. Now, here's where most beginners go wrong. They promote random products, low commissions, one time payouts, and a no long term strategy. Instead, you want to focus on subscription based tools, also known as SaaS or software as a service, because this is where things start to compound. Let's say you promote a tool that costs $50 a month and it pays you 50% commission. That's $25 per person every single month. Now imagine referring 10 people and earning $250 a month, 5 people earning $1,250 a month, or 50 people would be $1,250 a month, and 100 people, 2,500 flat. And that's not from going viral, that's from consistency and building a system. This is exactly what I do in my business. I recommend a platform I personally use to build funnels, manage emails, automate my business, and every time someone signs up through my link, I earn a commission. Not just once, but month after month. Now, I'm going to be honest because this method works, but it's not instant because some programs have payout delays. So you might wait 30 to 60 days to get paid, and you need to build trust with your audience. So even if you get sales today, you might not see that money immediately. But here's the trade off: it becomes predictable, it becomes stable, it becomes recurring. You're not starting from zero every month. You're building momentum, and that's how real online income grows. Now, let's talk about the method you've probably been waiting for, the fastest way to make money on YouTube before monetization, and that's selling your own digital product. This is where things shift from earning commissions to actually building your own income stream. Because when you sell your own product, you keep the profit. No middleman, no waiting. And I already know what you're thinking. I don't have a product. I'm not an expert. I don't know what to sell. That's normal. Every single person starts there. A digital product doesn't have to be complicated. A simple guide, a checklist, a template, a mini training, a resource that solves one specific problem, that's it. And here's the best part: once you create it, you can sell it over and over again, automatically, while you're sleeping, while you're busy, while you're living your life. I remember when I first realized this, I stopped thinking, how can I work more? And started thinking, how can I build something once and let it keep working for me? That shift changed everything. Now, let me take it one step further, because you don't even have to start from scratch. You can start with something called PLR, which is private label rights, and think of it like a franchise. When someone opens a franchise, they're not guessing, they're using a proven system, a proven product, a proven structure. PLR works the same way. You take a product, you customize it, you brand it, and you sell it as your own. This gives you speed, this gives you leverage, and most importantly, it gets you into the game faster. Now, imagine combining this with YouTube. You create content that solves problems, shares your journey, teaches what you're learning, and then you simply link your product below. Now, your content is doing more than getting views, it's feeding a system. Traffic, offer, income, over and over again. And listen, you don't need to be perfect, you don't need a huge audience, and you don't need fancy editing. You just need to start. Most people are waiting for everything to be perfect, and that's why they never begin. So here's what I want you to do. Step one: decide what you're going to promote, affiliate products or a digital product. Then add your link in your description. And then finally, create content that solves real problems, and that's it. You don't need to go viral. You don't need thousands of subscribers. You just need the right system, the right strategy, and consistency. If this video helped you see things differently, drop some fire emojis and comment either affiliate marketing or digital products in the comments. And I will see you all in the next video. Glow Squad, you're not late. You're not behind. You're just getting started, and you stay consistent, and you can absolutely build this income. Keep glowing, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.